Australia beckons. Your seasonal adventure awaits. Australia, the land down under, it's calling your name. Imagine sun-kissed beaches, rugged outback landscapes, and vibrant cities. Now imagine experiencing all of this while earning good money. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Seasonal work in Australia offers the perfect opportunity to live the Aussie dream, and 2024 is brimming with exciting possibilities. Whether you're drawn to the golden fields of the outback, the sparkling surf of Sydney's beaches, or the bustling energy of city life, there's a seasonal job out there with your name on it. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an experience of a lifetime. This essay will guide you through some of the hottest seasonal job openings in Australia right now. No prior experience necessary. Golden harvest, golden opportunity. Dive into grain work. Fancy yourself a modern-day farmhand working beneath wide open skies. Grain harvesting season in rural Australia might be just the ticket. This hands-on work is all about bringing in the bounty of the season. You'll be part of a team operating machinery, driving trucks, and ensuring the smooth running of the harvest. No prior experience? No problem. Many farms offer on-the-job training, teaching you everything you need to know. The best part? The pay is excellent. Extend your visa for another year if you catch the travel bug. Imagine the camaraderie of working alongside fellow adventurers from all over the world. Learn new skills, make lifelong friends, and experience the true heart of Australia. Companies like Agri-Labour Australia specialize in agricultural recruitment. They can connect you with farms across the country looking for eager hands. Ready to get your hands dirty? Sydney sun and surf be a lifesaver this season, calling all water babies. If you dream of sun-drenched days patrolling pristine beaches, then becoming a lifeguard in Sydney might be your perfect seasonal gig. Imagine yourself perched on a tower overlooking Bondi Beach, the sun warming your skin as you ensure the safety of swimmers enjoying the turquoise waves. Sounds idyllic, right? Of course, being a lifeguard is a responsible position. You'll need to be a strong swimmer and hold a current bronze medallion from Surf Lifesaving Australia or a similar internationally recognized certification. But the rewards are immense. Not only will you be earning a good wage, but you'll also be contributing to the safety of beachgoers and experiencing the Aussie beach lifestyle firsthand. Start your application process early. Lifeguard positions are in high demand. Check out the websites of local councils like Waverley Council for Bondi Beach and Randwick City Council for Coogee Beach for job postings and application details. Retail therapy down under holiday jobs at Costco. Prefer the buzz of the city? If you're looking for a fast-paced, dynamic environment with plenty of opportunities to interact with people, then a seasonal retail job at Costco might be just the ticket. As Australia gears up for its summer holidays, that's Christmas time for those in the Northern Hemisphere, retail giants like Costco ramp up their workforce to handle the influx of shoppers. The best part about retail jobs? They often require little to no prior experience. Plus, Costco is known for offering flexible hours and competitive pay, making it an attractive option for seasonal workers. You'll gain valuable customer service skills, learn the ins and outs of a large retail operation, and enjoy a lively work environment. Check out the Costco Australia website for career opportunities in their various locations across the country. Remember, positions fill up quickly, so don't wait until the last minute to apply. Seek and you shall find navigating job boards like a pro. Finding your dream seasonal job in Australia is easier than you think thanks to online job boards. One of the most popular and user-friendly platforms is seek.com.au. This website is a treasure trove of job listings across various industries, including seasonal and temporary positions. Here's how to use Seek like a pro. 1. Create a profile. It's free and allows you to save job postings and track your applications. 2. Use keywords. Search for specific job titles like grain harvester, lifeguard, or retail assistant along with seasonal or temporary. 3. Filter your search. Narrow down your search by location, salary expectations, and desired work hours. And 4. Set up job alerts. Receive email notifications whenever new jobs matching your criteria are posted. Seek. is your one-stop shop for finding seasonal work opportunities in Australia. Don't be afraid to explore other job boards like Indeed and Jora for even more options. Visa Essentials, your ticket to Aussie adventures. Hold your horses. Before you book that one-way ticket to Australia, let's talk about visas. To legally work in Australia, you'll need a valid visa that permits employment. The most common visa for seasonal workers is the Working Holiday Visa. This visa allows you to work in Australia for up to 12 months. Extend it for another year with specific regional work. Check the Australian Department of Home Affairs website for details. Home away from home, finding the perfect Aussie abode. Now that you've sorted your visa, let's find you a place to rest your head after those long days of work and adventure. Australia offers a range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. Hostels, perfect for solo travelers and budget-conscious adventurers. Hostels offer affordable dorm-style or private rooms. You'll meet people from all walks of life, share travel tips, and create lasting memories. Backpacker inns. Similar to hostels but often with a more laid-back vibe, backpacker inns are another budget-friendly option. Shared houses. Ideal for those seeking a more independent living arrangement, shared houses involve renting a room in a house with other people. Short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb and Stays offer a wide variety of short-term rental options, from apartments to entire houses, perfect for those seeking more privacy and space. When choosing your accommodation, consider your budget, desired level of privacy, and proximity to your workplace or preferred activities. Gear up for the outback. What to pack for rural Australia? Heading to the outback for some grain harvesting? Packing right is crucial. Here are some essentials to keep you comfortable and protected under the Australian sun. Asterisk sturdy work boots. Protect your feet from rough terrain and potential hazards. Long-sleeved shirts and pants. Shield your skin from the sun and insects. Asterisk wide-brimmed hat. Essential for sun protection. Sunscreen SPF 50+. Reapply frequently, especially when working outdoors. Asterisk insect repellent. Keep those pesky flies and mosquitoes at bay. Asterisk water bottle. Stay hydrated, especially in the Australian heat. Asterisk torch. Handy for navigating around the farm at night. Asterisk first aid kit. Be prepared for any minor injuries. Remember, pack light and practical. You can always purchase any additional items you need once you arrive. City Slicker Essentials. What to pack for city life? If a bustling city life is more your style, pack accordingly. Here are some essentials for navigating the urban jungle in style. Comfortable walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of exploring. Stylish clothes. Pack for both casual outings and dressier occasions. Swimsuit and beach towel. Essential for those sunny days at the beach. Sunglasses and a hat. Protect yourself from the sun's glare. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated on the go. Day pack. Convenient for carrying your essentials while sightseeing. Power adapter. Australia uses 220 to 240 volts and 3-pin plugs. Travel insurance. Protect yourself against unexpected events. Remember, cities offer plenty of shopping opportunities, so don't overpack. Pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Money matters. Budgeting for your Australian adventure. Australia is known for its relatively high cost of living, so it's crucial to budget wisely to make the most of your experience. Here are some tips to help you manage your finances. Set a realistic budget. Research the average costs of accommodation, food, transportation, and entertainment in your chosen location. Asterisk. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to monitor your income and expenses. Cook your own meals. Eating out can be expensive. Save money by preparing your own meals whenever possible. Take advantage of free activities. Explore parks, beaches, and free attractions to stretch your budget further. Asterisk, look for discounts. Many attractions offer discounts for students, backpackers, or those purchasing tickets online. Work hard, play hard. Remember, you're in Australia to earn money and experience all it has to offer. By budgeting wisely and making savvy spending choices, you can enjoy an unforgettable Australian adventure without breaking the bank. G'day, mate. Embrace the Aussie spirit and apply now. So there you have it, your guide to snagging the best seasonal jobs in Australia for 2024. Whether you're drawn to the rugged outback, the sun-drenched beaches, or the vibrant cities, there's an adventure waiting for you down under. Remember, these are just a few of the many exciting job opportunities available. Start your research early, polish your resume, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Embrace the Aussie spirit of adventure, hard work, and camaraderie, and you're sure to have an experience of a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to say good day to an unforgettable Australian adventure.